Hi guys, it's me again. Welcome back to my channel. How wanna do? Wanna good? Anyway, today I'm gonna make some Barbie fried saltfish. You heard me right. Barbie fried saltfish, codfish. Okay? So just want to show you guys, this is not the one that you want. Okay? This is the one that you definitely need to do this kind of thing. This saltfish here, okay? This type. Just thought I would show you which one you would want for this particular recipe. Alright guys, so I have some saltfish soaking about 3 hours now. Okay? And this is the size how I cut them. Okay, I have a escovitch saltfish on my channel, so you could check it out how I prepare and clean it. I just kind of like tear the scale off, the skin, they want to call it, like so, right? Or if you have the time to use a knife to scrape it off. Okay, whichever way it's easier for you, better for you, just go ahead and do it. All right, so even though I'm soaking this for a while guys, I'm still going to boil it for a little, and the reason for that, my sister needed, she needs to have some of it, right? She told me that. So, and she's not into the salt, she can't take too much salt like myself. I can take salt, I like salt, I just don't like the salt overpower anything. Okay, so I'm going to boil it off for a little just to get some of the salt out, just like you do pigtail. You know, you barbie fry the pigtail or you barbecue it, you still got to do this process, like soak it, boil it, just to get some of the salt out, because it's very salty. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna just strain this off. Flour guys, and cornstarch. I'm gonna fry it with the cornstarch, gives it a nice crispy texture. That's why I like cornstarch whenever I'm deep frying anything. And I'm only going to use cayenne pepper and black pepper. You don't need to season this with any all-purpose or anything, no Maggi, nothing, because the saltfish itself is already flavored and it has its own natural taste and seasoning. So you don't want to do anything like that. Okay, you want it to stay like this to just have that authentic saltfish taste. Okay guys, so my water is boiling guys, so I'm just putting in the fish inside. Okay, just to boil it a little. I don't want them to break up or come apart, so I'm not boiling them for any long time, just to get some of the excess salt out of it, because even when you soak it sometimes guys, it's still salty, and maybe too much for my sister. I don't want her to taste it and have, you know, have fun with it. So when it's finished boiling guys, I'll show you what I'm doing again. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you all my new subscribers, and thank you for the one that are always here with me from the beginning. I appreciate you all. So guys, I'm boiling the saltfish for 10 minutes now, so I'm going to turn the stove off. Okay, so I'm just running the cold water over the saltfish here guys. I just finished boiling them off, trying to cool them down here. Okay, so guys, I have to take the scale off like so, like I already showed you in my other video. I did some escovitch saltfish, so I'm going to show you in camera again, just for you to get an idea, just like so. Okay guys, so this is my barbecue sauce that I made myself. You can watch this on my channel as well. This is all it's leaving the fridge, so I'm going to just use it up. Okay guys, so we reached to this process. So I'm drying my codfish here properly. because water is in it because of the soaking and the boiling. And if you don't do it, it's gonna just be popping and popping oil all over. You have to be running for a cover, trust me. You don't want that. Alright, and be gentle with them guys because they will just break apart. We don't need that either, because we're not looking for pickled fish here. Want them to remain like this size and in this form. So I'm just drying out the water from it, so we don't have to be dodging any oil shots in here. So I'm just going to do this. My oil is hot, guys, so I'm just going to coat them with the flour and the cornstarch. Okay. Guys, don't be afraid to try things in your kitchen. Alright? I'm always trying stuff in my kitchen. Just dust off the excess flour. So we'll do the rest off camera. Okay, here it is, the saltfish frying. There it is. We're looking for a golden and a brown color, just like you do a deep fried chicken or anything that you deep fry. Okay. So there it is, nicely golden brown. When you use the cornstarch, it always gives it a nice color when you finish deep frying. So that's what I was looking for, guys. So I'm just gonna apply my sauce onto it. And this is my homemade sauce, guys. Videos on my channel how to get this done if you would like to try it out. Okay, I fried them, guys, for 8 minutes. It was fried enough for me in 8 minutes. Okay, if you want to do it longer, if you want to try it, if you try it, guys, let me know how it turns out. Okay, we're not selfish around here. Okay, alright, so that's it, guys. We're just going, I'm going to put this in my toaster oven, not even turning on the stove, the toaster oven. Okay, guys, just to get them caramelized and crisp. Okay, and I'm putting this in the oven, guys, at 450 because I'm not keeping it long in there. So there it is, guys, all done. I'm just going to plate it now. So here it is, guys, my Barbie fried codfish, saltfish, whatever you call it. This is it, guys. Looking all so lovely. Okay. Enjoy. Leave me a comment, guys. Let me know if you try my version of Barbie fried saltfish, codfish. Tell me if it's something that you like. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Cooking with Cleo. Be safe, guys.